Joseph Robinette Biden Jr., born November 20, 1942, is an American politician and the President-elect of the United States. After defeating incumbent Donald Trump in the 2020 United States presidential election, he will be inaugurated as the 46th president in January 2021. A member of the Democratic Party, Biden previously served as the 47th vice president from 2009 to 2017 and United States Senator for Delaware from 1973 to 2009. Raised in Scranton, Pennsylvania and Newcastle County, Delaware, Biden studied at the University of Delaware before earning his law degree from Syracuse University in 1968. He was elected a Newcastle County Councilor in 1970 and became the 60th youngest senator in American history when he was elected to the USA Senate from Delaware in 1972. Biden was a longtime member of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee and eventually its chairman. He opposed the Gulf War in 1991 but supported expanding the NATO alliance into Eastern Europe and its intervention in the Yugoslav War of the 1990s. He supported the resolution authorizing the Iraq War in 2002, but opposed the surge of USA troops in 2007. He also chaired the Senate's Judiciary Committee from 1987 to 1995, dealing with drugs policy, crime prevention, and civil liberties issues. He led the effort to pass the Violent Crime Control and Law Enforcement Act and the Violence Against Women Act, and oversaw 6 U.S. Supreme Court confirmation hearings, included the contentious hearings for Robert Bork and Clarence Thomas. He ran unsuccessfully for the Democrat presidential nomination in 1988 and again in 2008. Biden was re-elected the Senate 6 times and was the 4th most senior senator when he hesitated to serve Barack Obama's vice president after they won the 2008 presidential election. Obama and Biden were re-elected in 2012. As vice president, Biden oversaw infrastructure spending in 2009 to counteract the Great Recession. His negotiation with congressional Republicans helped pass legislation, including the 2010 Tax Relief Act, which resolved a taxation deadlock, the Budget Control Act of 2011, which resolved a debt ceiling increases, and the American Taxpayer Relief Act of 2012, which addressed the impending fiscal cliff. He also led efforts to pass the United States-Russian New START treaty, supported military intervention in Libya, and helped formulate U.S. policy toward Iraq through the withdrawal of U.S. troops in 2011. Following the Sandhawk elementary school shooting. He led the gun violence task force. In January 2017, Obama awarded Biden the President's Medal of Freedom with distinction. In April 2009, Biden announced his candidacy in the 2020 presidential election, and he reached delegate threshold needed to secure the Democrat nomination June 2020. On August 11, he announced the U.S. Senator Kamala Harris of California as his running mate. Biden won the 2020 presidential election of November 3 against President Trump. Thus, he is only the second non-incumbent vice president to become president-elect of the United States, and the first since Richard Nixon in 1968.